Is Selenium ID is dead? The answer is no. Now you might have noticed that right now, if you go to their official documentation, Selenium ID is not available and it is not giving you any option to add to the Chrome and start using. And I will tell you why. So there's a recent Chrome update. Because of that, many extensions, not only Selenium ID, many extensions are not working, but Selenium ID is working for different browsers. Now, if you go to the official website and if you notice Selenium ID, it is another record and playback tool. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of record and playback because it works for basic application, but the moment you have complex application, dynamic element, it doesn't work. So in case if you want to explore, you can explore Selenium ID and other record and playback, but in real time, you will not be using in that efficiency. Okay. Now, if you click on read more, you will notice if I click on Chrome update, it is landing to this page. More than 6 lakh users have downloaded, but right now it's not available. And if you see this, it says this extension is no longer available because it doesn't follow best practices for Chrome extension. On the other side, if I go for Firefox, it is working for Firefox. So in case if you want to try, you have to try with Firefox. Maybe if they come up with a new update, you will see in future, but as of now, it is not available. In case if you want to try this, you have to go with Firefox and continue with Firefox. So if I click on add to Firefox, add this extension, and then I can start using it, right? But in case if your application only works on Chrome and you have a restriction that you have to start with Chrome, at this moment, you have to explore some different extensions. So if you come back here, there are multiple alternatives are available. So you can use Catalan Recorder, you can use Code Gen by Playwright, which is again a very good record and playback tool. You can also use TestCase Studio. So TestCase Studio can actually record your steps. It can generate the locators. With a small change, you can actually generate the script and you have to use one of the IDE, for example, Eclipse or IntelliJ, and you can use TestCase Studio as well. And there's a detailed video by Sanjay Kumar on Selectors Hub channel. I will give you this link in the description. You can go and explore. Personally, I loved the Code Gen by Playwright. Okay. So using Code Gen, you can record and play script in Playwright, and you will be amazed how efficiently to record the steps and you can execute as it is. And most of the time it can also add some default assertions, and you can again export the code in different languages, and I have a detailed video on this as well, which I will be giving you in the description of this video. So to summarize, Selenium ID right now it's not available for Chrome because of Chrome update, but it is available for Firefox. Alternatives, you will also see this Catalan Recorder, TestCase Studio, and this Code Gen by Playwright. So please try if you want to go with record and playback. As I mentioned, for dynamic applications, for complex scenarios, record and play doesn't work most of the time. So go ahead as per your choice. I would personally recommend download the libraries. You will have full access how you want to customize, how you want to write your test properly, which kind of reports you want. That will be more, I will say, sustainable and easy to maintain as compared to this IDE, which will just do the record and playback. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.